All right, 8th graders, this is to help you with question 6 on CR 17. It says, Mr. Craig drew a graph to represent the number of wing nuts used in office chair assembly. All right, so if we look at the graph, office chair assembly, along the horizontal axis, the x-axis, that represents number of chairs. All right, along the vertical axis, your y-axis, sorry, that's a y, is your number of wing nuts you'll use. So if I just look at a point on the graph like 8, 40, well, the 8 is the x-coordinate, and that represents number of chairs. And the 40 is your number of wing nuts. So that means to make 8 chairs, you need 40 wing nuts. All right. Okay, they're asking us about a point on the graph. The point 1, 5 on the graph indicates. Okay, 1, 5 on the graph indicates. Well, our first coordinate is our x-coordinate. Our second coordinate is a y-coordinate. The 1, the x, represents number of chairs. The y represents the number of wing nuts. So if I look at this, this means it takes 5 wing nuts to make 1 chair. That's what that means. It takes 5 wing nuts to make 1 chair. Okay, A says that this would be the origin of the graph. The origin of the graph is 0, 0. Oh, that doesn't make any sense. Each chair costs $5. Nothing about this graph talks about cost. Has nothing to do with the graph. Oh my gosh. The graph is about chairs and wing nuts and assembling them. B doesn't have a shot. Now it says it takes 1 wing nut for 5 chairs. A wing nut must be some kind of a screw. If you only need 1 wing nut to make 5 chairs, your chairs are not staying together. That's just funny. Okay, this one. It takes 5 wing nuts for 1 chair. And that then gives us a unit rate. The unit rate is 5. The unit rate is always y over x. 5 over 1. The unit rate is 5. You remember that from last year, hopefully. Hope that helps.